Right, so welcome to Wells Millennium Centre and to Big Celebration 2013. We're Cardiff Council Music Development Team, and this is a group of over 100 children from Cardiff schools. So I'm going to introduce the schools now. I hope I get it right. So first school today is going to be Pennabryn Primary from Llanrumney. It's going to be a big round of applause. I think this is Pennabryn's first trip down here for Big Celebration. Lovely to have you, Pennabryn. We've also got a huge group from Ninian Park Primary. Let's hear it from Ninian Park. Funkiest school in Cardiff, apparently. And we've got a lovely group, the locals, St Mary the Virgin Primary from up the road. And all the way from Newport Road, Tredegarville Primary. Rockin'. This is a very relaxed celebration of everybody coming together and having a good old sing, and we do hope you enjoy it. We're going to start off with the festival song. It's called Big, Big, Big Celebration. I'm sure some of you have been hearing this at home rather a bit. Have you got your air guitars with you, children? Are we ready to rock? Now show me, where's the audience? That way! a great start, children. This is noodle music. Noodle music, so when you have to noodle around. Do we have Pen and Bryn to come in, is it? So Pen and Bryn Primary have specially prepared a song from My Fair Lady. Oliver. Gotcha. Consider yourself. From Oliver. Could Ninian Park Primary move forward a bit and we'll get the next batch round? You have until the end of the music. Okay, I think we're nearly there. So can we welcome on stage Pen and Bryn Primary for Consider Yourself, Oliver. Well done, Pen and Bryn, absolutely fantastic. I'm going to get my bit of paper in case it gets the next school or song wrong. Station Primary. And they're going to sing Feed the Birds from the musical Mary Poppins. I must add, all the teachers are conducting their own children. Very proud of the teachers at school. Doing all their own conducting, it's fantastic. Thank you very, very much. That was beautiful. Okay, more shimmying over that way. I think we'll introduce the band now. We'll play something for you to listen to. So I thought we'd play something from Shrek. So, would Mr. Davis get his guitar out? We're going to play you a song from Shrek for you to listen to. And this one is called I'm a Believer. Do you know that one? Are you going to join in? Are you going to join in?
love was only true in fairy tales. Then someone else, not for me. Love is out to get me. That's the way it seemed. Disappointment haunting all my dreams. Then I saw her face. Now I'm a believer. Not a trace of that in my mind. I'm in love. Ooh, I'm a believer. I could leave her if I tried. I'm going to love more less I give. Seeing before I came, less I got. What's the use in trying? All you get is pain. When I needed sunshine, I got rain. And I saw her face. Now I'm a believer. Not a trace of that in my mind. I'm in love. Ooh, I'm a believer. I can leave her if I try. Then I saw her face. Now I'm a believer. Not a trace of that in my mind. I'm in love. Ooh, I'm a believer. I can leave her if I try. Then I saw her face. Now I'm a believer. Not a trace down in my mind. I'm in love. Oh, I'm a believer. I can leave her if I try. Then I saw her face. I'm a believer. I'm a believer. Yeah, 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 yeah. I'm a believer. Yeah, 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 yeah. I
Thank you very much. Let me just introduce this is the Cardiff Council Music Development Team Band. I didn't warn you about this, but just tell that's Mr. Davis over there. It's Toby Davis, who today has been playing violin and guitar. And that is an electric violin, which is why it doesn't have any body. It ain't got no body. We've got Mr. Miles on acoustic guitar. We've got Mr. Kyle Jones on bass. Mr. Will Reese on drums. And I just want to say, the important lady today is Miss Sally McClellan, did all the teaching, arranged all the songs. Thank you, Sally. Let's start. The next group of children will be Tredegarville Primary, and they're all dressed up. What are you going to do? Are you all from the East End? What are you going to do? Wouldn't it be from My Fair Lady, and they've come as little flower girls and barrow boys? Isn't that cute? So can we have, please, on stage, Tredegarville Primary? Thank you. you very, very much, Tredegueville Primary. That's beautiful. So a bit more shimmying now. We're going to remove Tredegueville Primary and we're going to have massive, massive group from Ninian Park Primary. I think we're doing quite well. There are about 55 of you out there. Something like that. Keep it moving. That's it.
Hello. Basically, what we're doing, leaving the pool down a bit.
Right, just when they're finishing landing on the children, this is Ninian Park Primary. They're going to sing Tomorrow from Annie, and they've got a solo. This is On. I don't think he's done a solo at the Wales Learning Centre before. Can you just about see him? Can you just kneel down for a second so we can see On? This is On. And he's going to sing a solo in the middle. So have a listen out. He's got a powerful voice. It's fantastic. You've got a soloist. A foundation phase.
Go back up, check it.
So when you're all ready, then we're going to do Tomorrow from Annie. Please feel free to join it.
When we got into the bay, we saw there's two different debates. And how are you? Not asking for my name, is
at the end, we've got a couple of things we're going to do all together, but before we do them, I've got a certificate for each school, but I would like to say, children, you are absolutely brilliant. These children are only foundation phase, so between the ages of 5, 6 and 7, and to do all that with all those words in front of an audience, absolutely brilliant. So I'm going to say thank you first of all to the people at the Wales Millennium Centre. Let's give them a big round of applause. Nice. Particularly Headman on sound, he's got one hell of a job to do. Thank you, Headman. So thanks to the music development team behind me, and particularly to Sally, who did all the running around, all the coaching, all the Tai Chi. So could we have a representative from Pen y Bryn Primary to come on stage and get a certificate? Have we got somebody that would come up? I'll let the teachers pick, because you know best. Right. We've got the delegation from Pen y Bryn Primary. Congratulations, Pen y Bryn, well done. Could we have a delegation, please, from St Mary the Virgin Primary School? Excellent. Come on stage from St Mary the Virgin. Health and safety, watch out for those wires. Well done, Could we have a delegation, please, from Trediggerville Primary School? Their lovely, lovely costumes. Well done, Trediggerville. And could I have somebody from Ninian Park Primary to collect certificate, please? I'm not going to choose. One of your teachers will choose. Good girls. So let's hear it for Ninian Park Primary. Thank you very, very much. Now, I've got a very special song next. It's one of my absolute favourites. This is Somewhere Over the Rainbow, and all the children are going to sing it. Are you ready? Stand up and where's your audience? That way. Thank you so much. I'd like to thank all the parents for coming down and giving their children so much support. We've got time for one more run through of the big celebration song. Have you got your air guitars? Twice as loud as the last time. Thank you so much for coming. We look forward to working with you in the future. We're Cardiff Council Music Development Team in 67 schools across Cardiff and growing. So this is the big celebration song.